Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Wattpad account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So in app, here is no option to delete or close your Wattpad account. So all you have to need, open any browser and type wattpad.com and log in into your Wattpad account here and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and check this desktop site, and now click on this little profile picture and settings. Scroll down and here you'll find this close account option, so tap on that. To close your account, select a reason from this list why you are closing your account. Enter here experience about this Wattpad and check this option here and tap on close account. As you can see, I've successfully deleted my Wattpad account. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider a subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.